What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are making steam roast chicken. This is the whole chicken. So first thing first, we will take a knife and we will make deep cuts on our chicken, just like that. So we will make 2 deep cuts on each side. Then we will make like 2-3 cuts on the leg side. Just like that. We will flip the chicken over, and on the leg side, each leg side we will make 2 deep cuts. So what does this deep cuts do? We all know they help the seasoning to go all the way in. So all the cuts are done. We will flip the chicken. So here we have garlic powder. We will put some garlic powder on top. Here, white pepper powder. We will put white pepper. It's a very easy, simple and delicious recipe, super healthy. Here I have some turmeric powder. Okay, this is paprika. We will add some paprika. And today guys, I'm using this chipotle seasoning. This is the raspberry chipotle. And it has the wonderful sweet touch to it. So we will add this seasoning like on the most of the parts. We will add some salt, add some oil, it's okay if you make a little bit mess, because this all mess we're gonna mix it anyway on the chicken. We will take a lemon and we will squeeze the lemon right on top. Alright, so now use your hand and massage the chicken. You have to make sure you massage it into the deep cuts of the chicken so the seasoning get in there as well. This is very simple, easy and quick recipe. So all the massage has been done. So guys, here leave the chicken at least for 30 minutes so all the seasoning get into the meat. So I will see you guys after 30 minutes. Alright guys, so it's been 30 minutes. This is our chicken and this is our steamer. So here we will pick up our marinated chicken and put it right in the middle of our steamer. We will make sure it goes all the way in, even the neck. Why the chicken neck is out? I mean, that's funny. Okay, so we will place it. We will take a lemon and I want to add some lemon in there, so it's gonna have nice aroma of lemon, and you guys should do the same. Okay, so we will cover it with the lid, and now let's move on to our stock pot. So this is our stock pot. It has the water in the bottom and it's about to be boiling very soon. So we will put our chicken right on top. And on here guys, it will take at least 30 to 40 minutes. We will wait at least 30 to 40 minutes, and I will see you guys after 30 to 40 minutes. Guys, so it's been 45 minutes and the chicken is been steaming for 45 minutes. So this is both of us, you and me, we are checking the chicken after 45 minutes, and I'm pretty sure it's all done. I mean, yep, just by touching it with the finger I can tell it's all done. This is all what we need. So let me take this whole thing out and put it just right here. So as you guys can see, this is all so much done. I'm even scared to take this thing out and put it on this tray because I'm sure this is all fully done. Whoa, I can't even take it out. Oh, so the chicken breast is out, and just by touching it, it had separated itself. And this is the whole chicken body. Yeah, wow man, the aroma. And this is the whole chicken. This is all steam roasted with lemon, wonderfully done. This is a 100% must try recipe. Wow, this is just amazing. Let's try it out. Oh my lord, the whole bone is out of the meat. This is all so beautifully done. I mean, you can just spread the meat from the fingers. It melts in your mouth. It does melt in your mouth. Wow. The seasoning. And the lemon flavor. Wonderful. This is so juicy and yummy. I mean, you can see, you can just spread the meat from your fingers. Wow. This is the best steam roast recipe you guys will ever find. Do try this recipe guys and let me know your thoughts in the comment section. I will see you on the next video. Until then, take care and bye now.